YouTube. Welcome to Snowmagedon, Mississippi style. This is the second snowstorm we've had this year. As you know, second snowstorm we've had in as many months. Last time we got 4 to 6 inches. This time we didn't get quite that much, but any snow in southern Mississippi, we're only 47 miles from the Gulf Coast. It shuts down everything. This time around, the temperature, we got down to single digits last night, and right now it's a whopping 15 degrees with 5 to 10 mile an hour winds. It is cold. We had sorry for moving so fast on you. The small tub there, or water thing, is not really water. It's kind of a semi-temporary barn. One of the goats gave birth to two, a boy and a girl, day before yesterday, and we got them in there trying to stay warm. The other two goats are up there in the big pen around the trees and stuff, but they're staying inside because baby, it's cold outside. Brr. Stay warm.